Hey y'all, it's Lance from JR Jeep. I'm sorry if it's a bit windy out here, I'm trying to talk over it. But today we are going to install new rocker rails from Metalcloak. What I'm replacing is the ones that are currently on there, which were not technically designed for rock crawling. They're more steps. I'll show you in a minute what I mean. Why somewhat stylish. These are aluminum, so they would not hold up if I was to hit a rock or whatever. So we're going to take those off. And what we're installing are these from Metalcloak. These are heavy duty. You can see the welds in here. There's jack points. Of course, the Metalcloak logo. But I'm looking forward to getting these on. This is one of many installs I have in the works to get done. So we'll get at it, okay? It may not be the easiest way to do this, but when you're doing it by yourself, so using a single jack, I've seen the guy from Audio Edits do this, to brace it up. I've actually got the thing in place. Put in both the rear end screws with lock washers and nuts. And I will be tightening the other screws which are accessible through the rail, and then there's a few on the tub. One side of the rock rails installed. The Metalcloak, looking pretty good. Clear is fine. Took my old shelf off, taped this like I did on the other side prior, and I will be putting it up there just to mark the holes, then taking it back down to drill out. It looks a little goofy in the install. What I did is put the front bolt in, the stock bolt, then put a jack stand under to brace it up while I could relocate the jack to get this as flush as possible with the back. Now I'm going to mark the holes that are all along that rail, and then I need to go underneath and mark the tub rails. Hi folks, and I just finished the install of the Metalcloak Rock Sliders. It was actually not a moment too soon. It is just about ready to storm out here. So I am going to be putting dangerous type away and getting inside. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in, as always. I look forward to sharing upcoming content with you. In fact, my second half of the trip to the Trans-Wisconsin Adventure Trail, which I found quite entertaining. You want to see the weather? I'll show you a quick clip. This is what it's looking like in my neck of the woods. Yesterday was major rainfall with pea-sized hail and downpours, so I don't know if it'll be as bad as yesterday, but it looks threatening.